I work for Micron Technology. We're one of the largest memory manufacturers in the world. The manufacture of semiconductors is a highly complex process. The only way to really manage this process of this complexity is with data. We decided to partner up with Hortonworks, and through Hortonworks bring HTP into our environment so that we could more focus on analytical solutions and less on data management. Previously, with our in-house solutions, we were very constrained at the level of tools and analytics that we could provide.
Because Hadoop and big data are a technology focus, we chose Hortonworks because of their commitment to open source, collaborative approach to development, and because they're one of the leaders in the Hadoop space.
Our initial use case was our functional test data. When you look at the 3 V's, it kind of checks all the boxes. The volume is in excess of a petabyte per year. The variety is over 10,000 discrete measurements. And then the velocity is we collect over 1 trillion measurements per day over millions of die.
The challenges are that many of our Hadoop users were using a batch approach to solving their problems. Now there's a trend toward real-time data analytics. Our challenge was to use our Micron IP to see if we could eliminate that latency, and we were able to do that with HTTP3.
We've had a lot of successes. One of the successes that comes to mind is we had a manufacturing excursion, and that's where some die got misprocessed. The QA group, and they believed that they could identify the die in approximately 7 days, but that wasn't fast enough. We were able to identify all the die that were affected in under an hour. It was a huge success for Micron and a huge success for HTTP. We're a big user of NiFi. We use it for a lot of our data ingestion pipelines. We've added over 100 other data sets into the environment, and we've also brought into the environment over 100 data scientists and data engineers developing analytical solutions. The analytics that they produce are critical. The HTTP environment is always evolving and growing, and staying on top of it is a real challenge. This is where Hortonworks really comes in and helps us. Their support and engineering have been key to our success with the platform and have really helped propel us to provide excellent solutions for our customers.